In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Real Cricket 22 login problem. So if you're using the Real Cricket application, mobile application, watch this video until the end if you're facing this problem. So all you have to do is open your phone and then head onto your phone settings. Head onto your phone settings, go to your phone settings, and in the search area, depending on the type of phone you're using, there's a search option above there. Make sure that you put in that search area, just put in private DNS, then select that private DNS that pops up on your top of your search area. You can see that private DNS depending on the phone you're using. So now this is why you need to change this. So some circumstances it will be off, and some circumstances it will be in the private DNS provider host name. So make sure that you see what's written on there, dns.google.com. Please make sure that you type that there and see. Type that there, DNS. Then you save. When you save, and note that I want you to note that if this does not work for you, please make sure you open the app, then clear cake, and maybe probably the app developers are working on a solution solve this problem if this doesn't work for you. So if you love the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, join the family. Thanks for watching.